Hi guys, how are you? I think you're doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you lock your Instagram profile. You can see here I locked my Instagram profile. You can see here this account is private. So how you can do that? Before showing that, I will ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So for doing that, you have to first come your profile page. From profile page you have to click here. You can see here top bottom right corner your profile icon. From profile icon you have to click here your three dot line. You can see here three dot line. From three dot line you have to click here settings. From settings you will can see here a option privacy. So you have to click here privacy. From privacy you have to click private account. From private account you have to click here switch to private. So this is the process of locking your Instagram account or Instagram profile. So if you want to see that from another account your Instagram profile is locked or not, I will show that from my another account. You can see here if I went my another account, you can see here this is my another account, and if I search that here the account, you can see here this is the account which I have been locked. So you can see here all the posts of this or that account have been private. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you.